Decided to share this golden launch and meme coin trade method with you. It's one of the most effective approaches I've seen recently and it works full profitable for me. This method doesn't rely on farm groups, paid influencers, or big marketing budgets. Instead, it's all about launching a token directly on the blockchain in a specific way. And new function that allows your meme coin to immediately show up on key platforms like dexscreener, Axiom, and others, without any extra steps or delays. And moreover, that meme coin will look good for traders. So we don't need Pump.Fun, we just need this site. I will show you live trading in this video so you can see how it works in real time. At the moment, this method is extremely profitable, but this is not financial advice. I can't say how long it will work, but right now traders are rushing to buy these kinds of tokens the moment they appear. The crypto and meme coins trading is popular again, and with it, new ways to make serious gains are emerging. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most promising strategies out there, one that's still flying under the radar. Okay, we need this site. I will leave a link to this site in the video description. When launching a token on services like this, the token will automatically appear on all services like dexscreener, Axiom, and so on. Well, first I open the dexscreener, choose any hype token that is popular now. This need to have more buyers and good trading with our meme coin. Okay, I found good token, just a random popular token. Now click create token, copy the picture, name and symbol, and I will launch 1 billion tokens. But the quantity is not very important. Now enter any description, it can be funny or more informative. And now the most important thing, a new function. We will change the information about the token creator. More precisely, we will specify someone big wallet with big amount of Solana. Yes, this is a new function. We can replace the information about the token creator. This information will be replaced in the smart contract metadata. But don't worry, you will be the real owner and you will be able to fully manage your token. Look at this, there's one of many services powerful tool that instantly tracks freshly launched meme coins, along with detailed data on the wallets that created them. Hundreds of thousands of traders and sniper bots follow these services, and our goal is for our coin to be chosen by these traders. Here's the strategy. We identify a wallet that holds a large amount of Solana and then deploy a new token with a very low initial liquidity. For example, just one Sol. That alone is enough to get our token picked up by these tracking tools and automatically displayed to a massive audience of potential buyers. But here's where it gets interesting. The wallet address linked to the token clearly shows a high Sol balance. To most traders and bots, this sends a strong signal. It looks intentional. They assume the creator launched it with minimal liquidity on purpose. Maybe to let insiders or influencers get in early at a cheap price. They're betting that the wallet owner will soon inject insignificant liquidity, causing the token's price to explode upward. And yes, in some cases, that's exactly what happens. That's why bots and smart traders are constantly looking for new tokens that fit this pattern. Today, we're going to create a meme coin that checks all those boxes on purpose. We'll launch our meme coin so it looks exactly like this. Look, this is a good example. The creator launched the token with low liquidity, but his wallet had a lot of Solana. Any buyer could buy this meme token at a very low price for 20 minutes. And then this token flew to the moon. Today I will create a meme coin that will seem the same to buyers. Well, I found a wallet that has a lot of Solana. I copied the wallet address and pasted here. I choose all of this because it increases the credibility. Okay, for the token to appear everywhere, including dexscreener, we need to create a liquidity pool. This can be done, for example, on PumpSwap, this is a new function on Pump.Fun, or on Radium, on directly on this service, turning on this option. Specify how much Solana and your token supply you want to add to the liquidity. Don't worry, liquidity can always be withdrawn back. This is exactly what we will do. We withdraw liquidity back after traders buy our token. I will add liquidity on this side. I have already launched many tokens here. Look, I open a liquidity pool page. All my tokens are profitable. I launched all my meme coins using this new method. Okay, I will add 3 Solana to the liquidity pool, but you can add less, for example 1 Solana. But I have already launched many tokens using this method, and the biggest profit is when the liquidity is about 3 Solana. But with 1 Solana, it is also good. Okay, now I text how many tokens I will add to the liquidity pool. I recommend adding 90% of the total supply. For example, if 1 billion tokens are launched, then we add 900 million. Okay, now I choose a 2% fee and that's it. Now pass my wallet address here, tokens will be sent to this address, and this address will be the real owner. Now click launch token and I see a payment window. I need to send Solana to this address, this liquidity pool and the fee for creating a token. Okay, I made a transaction. Now click check transaction and boom, I see my meme coin address. Now you click on the address and soul scan opens. I copy my meme coin address. Now copy the token address, then go to the dexscreener and select any token. Now we need to replace the token address with our token. Okay, good. We see our token on dexscreener. We need to wait a few minutes for real people to start buying. Note, dexscreener displays liquidity amount twice as much as real. This is because it also takes into account our token, which now has a price. Alright, the first transaction just hit, which means our Solana meme coin is now officially live and trading. Now it's time to sit back and watch as the early buyers start jumping in and activity picks up. Low cap meme coins on Solana are making headlines again, and with the hype comes a wave of new stealth launch strategies designed to attract attention without big marketing spend. Each bull cycle brings its own set of fast-moving profit tactics, but they rarely last long. So when you come across a strategy that's working right now, especially one that can position your token in front of hungry traders, you got to move quickly and capitalize before the window closes. Alright, let's fast forward and take a look at what's happened in the first 15 minutes of live trading. Nice! The sniper bots have joined in. They're buying in multiple transactions, sometimes making dozens of transactions over several slots. Bro, just look at this. It's crazy. Solid trading volume and buyers are flooding in. If I remove liquidity right now, I'd walk away with around 10 sold. That's a good solid return for such a low cap launch. Let's jump to the liquidity pool page and take a look at the real-time PNL. To get all funds, all you need to do is hit remove liquidity, set it to 100% and confirm the action. And boom, liquidity is removed and the token is racked. The platform makes all actions simple. You don't even need to manually sign a transaction. Everything is handled automatically by the smart contract. But just to be clear, even though the process is automated, you still have full control as a token creator. Okay, I will remove liquidity now. I'm clicking remove and done. Liquidity is removed. The rack pool is complete. You can see the impact instantly on the screen. 13 sold, good profit. Honestly, a lot of meme coins launched this week. So yes, this method is still working right now. And now you've seen firsthand how easy it is to execute a rack pull using this exact pattern. This video is for educational purposes only. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to